What we're going to demonstrate today is the side lateral the Jay Cutler way. So this exercise, a lot of people know how to do the side lateral. I mean, they do it on machines, cables. I prefer always to use a dumbbell. It's just not as restrictive. Obviously, you know, you can kind of work with your body a little bit. Everyone has different body types. It allows you to hit the muscles a little more and contract a little more. But with this exercise, what I'm going to focus on is a starting position with the palms facing in. And when we come up, we're going to basically drop the palms so they face towards the floor, really get that squeeze in the shoulder. And this is not only going to hit the side delt, which everyone thinks that's what the side lateral does. It's going to also bring the front delt into play and a little bit of the rear delts as we hold on the top and really get that contraction. So I'm going to display this. 8 to 12 repetitions, really getting that squeeze. Choose a weight that you can really get that nice contraction. Try not to rock and throw the weight around and knock the exercise out. Okay, so starting position. Okay, chest up, palms in, out, down to the floor. About shoulder level. Get that contraction for. Really get that nice burn in there. Everyone wants to go for that burn. And like I said, the repetitions are going to give you that nice fullness to the shoulders, really round those shoulders off.